Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the limited edition of the Victorinox Damascus knife of 2016. We do first the unboxing video. This just came in, and this is a 6-pack basic box, how it comes from Switzerland. The box, unfortunately, the main box as we see in front of the camera, did have a rough time with the shipping, quite likely already from Switzerland to Monroe for a Swiss Army brand, and then all the way here to Georgia. So that is how that is. The grey box is made in Switzerland as well. They did, as best I see, not yet considered to outsource that. So that is how that is. The part is thrashed. We see here the parts where that was bended and all. That is how that is. That is not made for strong use. Now we see 6 pieces. We can actually take it relatively easy out because the side walls did collapse as well. That's amazing. So basically the whole big box did fall into pieces. That much about that. We see here the Pioneer X and the number from Victorinox. It's too bad that the box did not have a bit of better quality, but that is how that is. Now we're gonna look at the numbers of the knife. Actually, they did not. No, they did not put the number on it anymore. Okay, so we're gonna take them apart and then we're gonna have a look at it. Those two we do on the side. We see we already have a bit damage on the packaging, but you see that is how they come. That's how the knife look, the first one. The packaging, and we see I just opened it up. The knife blade did stick completely in the box. That is how that is. That is the first one that I did take out. This one has a bit of wild damascus steel pattern on the blade there. The edge is unfortunately still shallow. It's not like on the prototype run that we did deep edge. Unfortunately, it's still pretty shallow on it, not deep. What is better on this model is that the point is relative sharp. On the back side we see the number. This one is 4364 of 5000. In case you wonder why you did not get one of those knives, they were only made in 5000 pieces and less than 300 did make it to USA. So as we see here, 6 pieces on the table, that is already much. This is the Pioneer X variation in a titanium grayish aluminium. We see the scissor with the nail nick on the wrong side. Pretty much a fail, unfortunately. I'm gonna make a video on the regular variation of that knife in a while as well. On the bottom we have the typical paperwork. Yeah, the typical paperwork that did not change at all. That is the paperwork from back then. So we're gonna put that back in, and we're gonna put that on top here. actually, that's going to bend a bit. Then we have number 2. This also did get a bit nick in the box. We have again a relative wild pattern. I hope the camera see that. On the back side we have that too. That pattern looks strange this year. Well, there is a magnet that should hold the blade in place, but we see the male is that rough that that's not gonna work, unfortunately. Now we do it a bit different. That is better. Number 3, in the same way, again pierced. Yeah, the pattern this year looks really strange. Also we see, I hope the camera see that the lower part is, how should I describe that, in a different cloudy edge than the top part. We see the lower part here is in a different edge than the top part. That can happen if the acid is not 100%, or if that did get in a cloud of acid, just and not in the bath, in the correct bath. Then we have number 4. Again pierced. It's pretty sad, but that is how that is. We see here that cloudiness of the blade to the lower part, and it's just pretty shallow, unfortunately. On the back side we have the same kind of cloud. As you put the knife back in the box, you need to be careful that you're not going to cut the inside of the box because of the magnet. Then we have number 5. Again pierced. We see there in the middle and a bit in front also a cloud on the edging. The pattern of the steel this year really looks strange. There we have a bit cloud too by the tip and on the bottom, but not much. The magnet makes it hard to put the knife correct in, but I guess one day as it is inside, then that stays pretty good. Then to the number 6, the last one, did also stick. We see cloud on the bottom part too. I wonder what Damasteel say to that. That's going to be a point to discuss at the Blade Show 2016 in Atlanta. We see here the Cloud 2. I say it's a problem with the etching. Yeah. Yeah, that is the first unboxing of the 6 pieces that I got of that run. That is from the small number that did come to USA, less than 300 pieces. I'm gonna make a bit more videos and pictures. They're gonna be on the either on the swissbianco Facebook or on the swissbianco YouTube channel. I'm gonna link that. It needs a bit of time, as currently I'm pretty busy with a lot of different things. So that much about the limited edition of the Damascus knife for 2016.